My name is Jason Lamping. I'm with Aureon Technology. I'm a marketing strategy manager, and I've been with Aureon for 12 years. I'm excited to talk to you about how Aureon provides comprehensive technology services. So here's an example of a business, and I'm going to start with the services that are coming into the building. So out here, you have your internet services and your voice lines. Those are coming into the building, and those are connecting up to your telecom closet, where you're going to have things like your switching infrastructure, your firewalling layer, and routers, okay, and those sorts of things. Within the building, you're going to have your end users that are using different pieces of technology. You've got the phone system, you've got laptops and computers, which also have the software and applications that you use that reside on those. You might have servers as well. Wireless is very common. And one of the things that I've noticed going out and working with businesses that many of them are having to use multiple providers for all of these services. So you've got one company that's providing all of your IT services. You got another company that put in the phone system and that helps manage that. Then you have a third provider. It's really your telecom company that you pay for your internet and voice services. Okay, and then somebody that's managing your wireless. A lot of times that'll be your IT company. So where this gets complicated is if you're having some network slowness or issue with your computer, you might not know exactly where the bottleneck is. What that leads to is maybe calling your IT company that says that it's really the services that are coming in from outside the building, your internet lines, and those sorts of things are creating a bottleneck. And you're left to maybe make multiple phone calls, kind of be in the middle of, trying to identify where the problem is and having to call multiple companies. With Aureon, we can reduce all that to one company under one roof. So one company for your IT, your wireless, your phone system, your internet and voice lines. There's 4 key benefits that I want to point out about working with Aureon. One is simplification. By using one company to provide your end-to-end technology services, it makes your life easier. Once again, you only have one company to call. When there's issues, there's less confusion with your billing, there's less contacts, and those sorts of things that can eat up time and cause frustration. Optimization would be one of the second key benefits. That's really worker efficiency. And so with one company to support you, it leads to things like more uptime, more systems availability, which really enables you to optimize your business. Third area would be growth and scalability. Aureon's solutions, many of them delivered as managed services or hosted services. It's really easy if you're going to add new locations or add new employees to calculate how much more it's going to cost you. And it's also easy to turn up and deliver those services through the provider. In addition, we also have a cloud, which many companies are leveraging, especially if they're growing, to put all their internal hardware and applications into that platform. Not only does Aureon have a data center, but we also have a cloud hosting platform within the data center. And because we can provide the internet services, you can connect to the Aureon cloud and we can still manage your technology end to end. Finally, protect. With one company looking over and managing and monitoring and upgrading and patching your entire data network, it enables enhanced security.